Okay, miss. So I will share screen now. Okay, guys. So yesterday we started with a new reading comprehension lesson. We haven't started with the lesson exactly, but we explained the vocabulary words. We explained the theme at least, and what does the lesson in general mean. We explained the vocab, and we explained the genre of the text. Okay, yesterday I asked you to do 3 tasks. The first was using the 3 of the vocabulary words in sentences, and thanks a lot for those who sent me their homework. The others, please, today is your last chance. If you didn't send it today, and خلاص, you mean no, teacher put 0. This is what you want me to do. The second task was doing the worksheet, the writing worksheet, and you have time till Friday. This is open till Friday. And the third task was the Flipgrid. I already sent you the link yesterday. And as I told you, just put the username. I will allow you to unmute yourselves in case anybody needs to ask any question. Okay. So, and the Flipgrid, in the Flipgrid, there are 15 words. Added to the 8 vocabulary words, there are some words chosen from the lesson, which are very beneficial for you. I also added a video on Flipgrid while I'm reading the words. In case there is nobody at home to read the words for you, you can watch the video and write the words. And that's it. And the words also are written in the topic. Yes, Alice Keike.
Miss, the writing Friday, the night or in the morning you will close?
لا, in the morning, لأنه before the test.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Type. So
Yes.
in the Flipgrid, يعني حتى words that are required for dictation are written in the topic بالFlipgrid. يعني whenever you get into the topic راح تلاقوا the words are written. So no need to refer to the lecture, to the book, and so on. They are already written in the topic. Okay, guys? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, the username ISI, and as I told you, even if you uploaded the video, ما حيبين عندكم إنه you uploaded it أو it's done لأنه it's not public anymore. So that's why يعني ممكن تشوفوا 0 responses, but the teacher only sees who uploaded or and who didn't. Okay, because it's not public anymore. So as we said, we explained the vocabulary, the new theme and the genre. Let's just continue with the genre and then we move to the text. We said that the genre is expository, informational article, and we said that the informational article or expository text are texts that give information. They provide the reader with information. Using facts, using numbers, using slide bars, using graphs, and so on. But it's a text which provides the reader with information. Clear?
Miss, I have a question.
Yes, Miss.
Miss, so if you asked us in the quiz, what is the genre of the text? So we say it's expository because it has text features such as sidebars and graphs, and it tells us proven facts about a certain topic.
Exactly. It's providing us with information about blah, 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 blah. Okay? And the writer is supporting these information with sidebars and graphs and facts and dates and numbers, names of people, names of places. All of these are information. Let's now move to the text. The text, by the way, is very interesting, very nice, really.
Miss, can I read?
Yeah, just a second. So as we said yesterday, the text is talking about the tools that the explorers used to use in order to explore. So in the text, as you can see, you're going to see subtitles like here, the North Star, the astrolabe, and so on. These are tools. So we are going to talk about these tools. Okay? Yalla, who wanted to read?
Miss, me.
Yalla,
I'm
yeah.
psych.
Yeah.
The Miss, yes, I want to open it here because I don't see well.
Okay, okay.
One second, Miss. Okay, Miss, do you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, Miss.
Yalla, start reading, please, Ali. Alice Keike.
Considering that one definition of technology is the use of knowledge for practical purposes, we can say people have been developing new technologies since the dawn of the human history.
The dawn of
Dawn.
human history.
Human history. Some of them are antiquated, others, though old, are
Continually improved.
Stone Age acted quality as technology, as do the wheel and the telephone. The following survey of several historical navigation quest
Okay,
is
stop,
one
please.
example.
Stop. Okay, so the first part is as if it's defining what do we mean by technology. So the word technology means. So the first part of the text is defining what do we mean by the word technology. So the word technology sounds modern, but people have been using it at least for 300 so it's a very old word. يعني مش كلمة نقول technology, it means something new. Okay, so a very long time ago there was the people were using this word and there were many technologies, but nowadays they are being improved and developed. Okay, so first of all, we are going to start with the North Star. The North Star is one of the technologies or one of the tools used by scientists or explorers. I need somebody to read. Who will read? Yes, Lamar Soufan, read.
Miss, can I please read?
Yes, Miss.
Yes,
I read the
Lamar.
second part, right?
Yes.
The North Star. Sailors of Earth civilizations used the star Polaris, also called the North Star, to get their bearings at sea, but using the North Star of navigation had some serious drawbacks. First, it can only be seen on clear nights, so attempting to navigate through unknown waters
Attempting to
on a
navigate through.
cloudy night.
So sailors early civilizations used the star Polaris, also called the North Star. So they used to use this tool, okay, maybe to know the directions while navigation in the sea, but it has some serious drawbacks. لأنه you cannot use it only, يعني you can use it only on clear nights. So attempting to navigate through unknown water on a cloudy night could be catastrophic. يعني if you go in the sea on a night and it's a cloudy night, you cannot use this pole or this North Star. It could be catastrophic. You might be lost, you might be kidnapped or something else. يلا continue.
Okay.
Second.
So attempting to navigate through. Okay, sorry.
Polaris can be seen only from the northern hemisphere.
Okay, while navigating with the North Star was a good choice under certain circumstances. Something better was needed.
Okay, so even this tool was only used or can only be seen from the northern hemisphere, while navigating with the North Star was a good choice under certain circumstances. Something better was needed. So they needed something better in order to navigate safely in the sea. Let's see the astrolabe. Yalla Angelina.
The astrolabe. The astrolabe was an advanced measuring tool invented in the Middle East. Though its primary application was to make computations about time and the positions of the sun, moon, planets, and stars, it was also employed as a technological aid to navigation. The astrolabe gave mariners a way to determine the latitude of their ships while at sea.
Okay, so the astrolabe was an advanced measuring tool invented in the Middle East, though its primary application was to make computations about time and the positions of the sun, moon, planets, and stars. It was also employed, and it was also used as a technological aid to navigation. The astrolabe gave mariners a way to determine the latitude of their ships while at the sea. So it was also used by the in navigation. Okay. Let's continue with the sextant. Who will read? Asir?
Yes, Miss.
Yalla Asir, I want you to read the sextant. This is the third tool.
Yes.
Yeah.
The sextant. The sextant is another tool that used the positions of the sun and stars to find a location on Earth. First developed in Asia Minor in the late 10th century, it was used to measure the angle between a celestial object and the horizon. When navigators considered the measurement in relation to the time of the day or night it was taken, they could find their ship's location on a natural chart, far from obsolete. This technology is still used today as a backup to modern navigation technologies.
Okay. So the sextant is another tool that is used use the positions of the sun and the stars to find a location on Earth. First developed in Asia Minor in the late 10th century, it was used to measure the angle between a celestial object and the horizon. So this also was used to determine the location, and the navigators used to use it while navigation. As we said, or nuclear chart, far from obsolete, this technology is still used today as a backup to modern navigation technology. So it's still used today, as we said. Okay, so this shows the importance of this tool. If it wasn't very important, they wouldn't have used it till now, right? Yeah. Who will read now?
Miss, can I?
Yes, Maya. So
Okay.
now we're going to move to the compass.
The compass is a compass. A compass is made by balancing a magnetic needle above a circular dial. Earth's own strong magnetic field causes the needle to swing into a north-south position because a compass indicates direction in all weather and at all times of the day and or night. Its importance as a navigational technology was quickly recognized. Historians,
Historians, the people who write history,
are unsure who invented the compass, but we do know it was in China as early as the 11th century.
okay, yeah. So the compass is also used till now, I'm sure many people still use the compass, is made by balancing a magnetic needle above a circular dial. Earth's own strong magnetic field causes the needle to swing into a north or south positions because a compass indicates directions in all weather and at all times of the day, not only at night, مثل the first tool that they were talking about. Its importance as a navigational technology was quickly recognized. Historians are unsure who invented the compass, but we do know it was in use in China as early as the 11th century. So till now, they're not sure who invented it, maybe Chinese, maybe somebody else, but it was used in China. So this is the fourth tool. Okay, let's move to the last part, which is an opinion. Let's keep looking beyond. Let me just zoom because I can't even see Hannah. I don't know if it's clear this way. Okay. Hassan Zaidan, read please. Zaidan. Samia, read.
Yeah, miss.
Read please.
Okay. We are at the last paragraph, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Inventing as fast as we can. When the U.S. government grants parents to promote the progress of science and useful arts. It gives exclusive nights to inventors for a set period of time. The numbers of parents. Sorry, but I can't really see that word. The one after.
Where?
The one after the numbers of patients, I think, or parents.
Many characterize the ongoing story of human exploration as one of the courage and creative resource. This one? Resourcefulness. Yeah, full of resources.
Oh, okay. For most of history's exploration was confined to Earth's surface, but in 1930 we began diving into the ocean's depths. By 1969, we had landed on the moon. The probes that we developed, deployed into deep space in 1977, are still transmitting valuable data back to us across billions of miles. Subsequently, we have sent the robotic vehicles to survey the surface of Mars, and we have a powerful telescope in orbit that is sending us spectacular photographs of the formation of distant stars.
Okay, so let's keep looking beyond. It means this is an opinion, maybe the author's opinion, the writer's opinion, looking beyond, trying to find new tools, new ways to discover, to explore. And you can just find many things that you can do. This is an opinion. This is the writer's opinion. Continue, please, Samia.
Exploring the unknown has clearly fueled our inventfulness, but it also inspires our imaginations. Because we are constantly elevating our aspirations, we have been able to increase our knowledge even when expectations have been the worst. Modern technologies are providing more and better tools to explore increasingly remote places. In fact, when it comes to exploration, the best is certainly yet to come. We should always resist the idea that an adventure instinct might be Miss?
It's foolhardy.
Foolhardy, and we should continue to value and encourage curiosity.
Curiosity, yes. Okay, so exploring the unknown has clearly fueled our inventions, because we really, and human beings really invented many useful tools, but it also inspires our imaginations, because we are constantly elevating our aspirations. We have been able to increase our knowledge even when expectations have been the worst. Modern technologies are providing more and better technologies and tools to explore increasingly remote places. So to discover remote means far places. We should always resist the idea that an adventurous instinct might be foolhardy and let's say, a foolish idea to discover something new. And we should continue to value and encourage curiosity. So human beings usually are curious. Yeah, they would like to know everything. They search to know about anything. So keep this feeling in you, because it's very beneficial. It's going to help you maybe discover new things. When you are curious, it means you can discover new things. Okay?
Okay.
Is everything clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the last part is inventing as fast as we can. Please read it. Yeah. Who will read this part? This very short part. Rama. Yalla ya Rama. Rama.
Yes, miss.
Yeah.
Yes, miss, you were lagging. Can you repeat what did you say to me?
Read the last part. Inventing as fast as we can.
Yes, miss, of course. Inventing as fast as we can. When the U.S. government, miss, it's too blurry, but I will try. Grants patents to promote the progress of science and miss, it's really blurry. And useful art.
Yes.
It gives exclusive nights to inventors for a set period of time. The numbers of patents issued in the year of 1850 to 2010 reveals a softening insecurance in the rates of technological invention. Miss, sorry, but it's too blurry.
Okay.
Thank you, miss.
Okay, so inventing as fast as we can. So as we said, we have to invent we have to invent as much as we can. We have to find new things. We have to explore. We have to look for new things, and so on. Okay, does anybody have any question concerning what we have said?
No.
No.
Okay, so this was our lesson for today. There's one more thing, please, concerning your homework and the tasks that I sent. Don't forget them. I need your vocabulary homework by today. By today. يعني ما حدا يقول لي بكره مس والله نسيت. What?
Ali Skyke, miss, I sent for you.
يعني I know. أنا بعرف who sends me and who doesn't. يعني I know. Okay, but I'm talking to the ones who haven't sent it yet. Please, today is your last chance. And let's now continue with the comprehension skill. Let me zoom out. Okay, let's continue with the comprehension skill. Today we are going to start with a new comprehension skill also, which is the compare and contrast. I'm not going to solve any exercises today. I'm just going to talk about what do we mean by compare and what do we mean by contrast. If I said Karim and Ali are in grade 6, it means I'm telling something similar or something different between these two boys. Yes?
Similar.
Something similar. So if I said Karim is short, Ali is tall, it means I'm saying something different or something similar.
Different.
Different. So to compare and contrast is to state the similarities and the differences between two people or two places or two things or whatever. Now, when I said both Karim and Ali are in grade 6, I'm stating here the similarity between them. What do we call this? Comparison or contrast? What do you think? I will tell you. The difference between to compare and to contrast is one thing. When you compare, you are stating the similarities between two things or two people or two places. يعني أنا لما قلت علي and Karim are in grade 6 I'm comparing here لأنه I'm showing the similarities. When I said Ali is short, Karim is tall or opposite, here I am making a contrast, يعني I'm stating the differences. So this is what I want you to know. To compare is to show the similarities, and to contrast is to show the differences. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, who can give me a sentence comparing two things or two people?
Me, miss.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. The boy is taller than the other boy. Can we say in a different way? Ali is shorter than Muhammad.
لا انت هون you are saying انه علي is shorter than محمد. انت comparing as one adjective. انا I want differences.
Oh yeah. Sorry.
Yeah. يعني I want you to tell me مثلا علي is short, محمد is tall.
Miss, I have one.
Yes.
The rabbit faster than the turtle.
يا عمي I don't want you to compare them by using an adjective. بدي تقولي لي the rabbit is fast, the turtle is slow مثلا.
Yes, miss, I have another one.
Yes.
يعني can we say like, sorry miss, I'm just taking a lot of time. I'm just thinking of it because I forgot it.
Think about
We
it.
can
It's okay.
say like that lion is fast, but the lion is fast, but the turtle is slow.
Okay.
Yes. Or I don't know what the name was. I don't know if they call cheetah also in English, يعني the cheetah.
Yes, the cheetah is called a cheetah in English. So tomorrow we will continue with the comparison and contrast. There will be an exercise that we're going to solve together. And that's it. Don't forget, please, your homework, both of your homework. Okay? And thank you all for attending.
Thank you, Math.
Bye, miss.